Tetris is alright.
I like Tetris.
Hey, what's this all about? You forgot the key to take with you.
I know I actually fell.
Boing. How am I dead?
I'm not gonna tell you for the longest time until you figure it out because it took us so long.
Boing, boing, boing.
How come you're throwing up so much?
How'd I die?
Do you need anything?
How did I die?
Okay. Take a deep breath.
Oh my god, Rain. What the fuck? Rain. Move, Rain. How in the fuck? How did I die? How did I die? No. See, these aren't laughs of enjoyment. These are laughs of anger.
Oh yeah?
Because. Why are you? Why? How? I got it now.
Oh, it's funny.
I need you to get on the next block. Get on. Good job.
The hell of more time than that.
Stop moving. Ooh. Speed run, let's go. We haven't even reached a minute yet. Come on, hurry up.
You killed us. Could you imagine 10 of us in here jumping at once? Dude. We were both at fault there. We both just kind of like stared at the screen like, oh. No chances that time. Think you died? Oh, no.
Fuck.
822. Yeah. Oh my god. Well, you need to start drinking some liquids. I know, but you need to drink them anyways. So whenever you throw up, you get dehydrated. And you need a lot of liquids to stay healthy. We should have popsicles too. I know, but it's for your throwing up. No, you have to drink just water or something.
Just don't
No,
push.
push it down to me. Push it down to me. Push it down to me. Help me get
Push
off.
what?
The block that you have.
Oh, that makes sense.
Why are you pushing it over there?
And then I push that, and then I die. How do I die there? Oh my god!
Man, you didn't think I was gonna make it, did you?
No, not really.
How are you walking with the red?
I have no clue.
Okay, question.
Oh.
Why did you? Yeah, buddy. Come on, friend.
Boing.
Well, it's like right on time. Were you determined to push that ball down no matter if you died or not?
This is all on you.
It's delayed, dude.
You moved! You moved!
You're such
Dude.
an idiot, dude.
Come on, bro. We were so
I
close.
hate you for that.
Oh
What?
my god, Rain. Why? What is this?
I'm standing still, dude.
Don't move, dude.
I'm not. Why do you push it down so carefully?
Run! Oh
I
my
jumped
god!
I jumped over it, dude. Oh, that's all you, buddy. Not me.
I jumped early.
Oh, you don't say. Would never I guess. What?
Dude. Is your keyboard broken?
Maybe I ate. No, I didn't even eat anything with it. I had a cucumber last night, but that one. There's no way. Doesn't look broken.
I
Looks
swear to
fine.
god if you move.
I'm not doing anything. It's the keyboard, I think. Oh my.
I'm gonna sock you right now.
I didn't even do it, dude. I was chilling.
And then you die? Spawn die, spawn die, spawn die, spawn die! Whenever you want, buddy.
Uh-huh.
Whenever
I
you
want to now.
Whenever you want, man. Just the space button is the jump button. Just saying. just saying.
Thanks for the reminder. I needed that. That's what was wrong. I couldn't remember what the space was. You gotta be kidding me. There's a delay, man. Oh my god. Oh. Stop pushing it like that. Just push it down.
Sorry, I had to do this box. Fuck.
What?
I
We
refuse
both
not to watch
died.
you struggle jump up there. Fuck, man. God damn it. Nice one, genius.
Shut up, you pressed the button earlier
Oh
that
my
said don't.
god.
Okay. Come on, buddy. Yes, that's so easy.
Oh my god, brain. Come on.
I was literally laying back in my chair, dude. And the thing is, whenever I die, I'm not even moving. Like, I don't even make a move. I just fall over.
I just fall over like a fly hits you or something.
Yeah.
An ant walks over your keyboard.
It did. It has to. I didn't do anything. Oh my. I like her little hands. Push it! Oh my.
Fuck!
Oh.
Wait, I'm an idiot. That was my fault. I'm an idiot.
Oh, you don't say because it was
I thought the red was
mine.
green. I thought the red was green
How?
for some reason. I don't
Green?
know.
Green?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Why is it blue and not green? You know how
It's
confusing
weird
that
green.
was? Oh my.
Hold on. I think we won't die if I open the door first. Oh. Sorry, I can't move.
Mm.
Oh, fuck.
Alright then.
Hmm. Yeah, this
trying.
level's really hard.
Oh, I did it. That took way
Congratulations.
too long.
Battle stage. Ah. What?
Ah.
Draw.
Oh. Easy,
No!
easy.
Oh, you knew what you were doing. That's cheating. You cheater. You're a cheater. You knew. Oh, that's it.